Hi Syxtheen's, welcome back to my channel. So now I will teach you how I edit this video of BTS. So let's start. So first, click this new project and stock videos. Click the black picture, then add there, then add your audio. Crop the black picture using, click it and you will see the word edit. Crop it by one here. So its duration is 6.1 seconds. And after that, you edit the duration. You will click the overlay and add picture. So here I add picture and its duration is 5.3 seconds. So I use keyframe here to make it small to bigger. So I add keyframe here and I make it small, then add and add to make it big. And its animation is out, then swirl. After that, I add pictures and I edit their durations. Then I add their animations, but not all pictures had animation. Click the last picture and click the overlay. Then after you click the add overlay, then you will see stock videos and click the white. Then you will edit it like the first one. Then you will, after overlay, you will splice. Click splice, then click overlay there. Then and the sound hear it, and you will just like when you hear just like it was, the light was gone. So after that sound, you will add the black color after that. So it's like just to make it cool there. So let's go for the effects now. So there it is 1, 2, 3, 4. For the fourth picture, I add black flash. And it was on the party. Just edit it and it sucks to the sound. Just like that. Black flash. Then move to the last picture. Let's add to the black flash again. The black flash length is the same with the length of the white that we added. When the white was gone and black appeared, the black flash, and there. See? Oops. See that? It sounds like that. Oops, wala. And for the last, you will add the basic effect and low exposures. So it will be like that. Then for the keyframe, on the fourth picture, I add keyframe so from the small, so it will become big. Then wait, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19, 20, 21, 22, oh dear. There. So, I add also keyframe here. And that, from there, to make it small. I add keyframe there to middle to make it still big and add to the last of picture of keyframe to make it small. There. I just did just like that. Compress it just like that. Then, and last, you'll just need to export it. There. And export. You'll just wait it, then you'll have it. So, thanks for watching, Syxtheen's, and see you in my next video. Bye!